Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael Mantell. It's always a privilege to be here on Family Law Matters with the highly esteemed Bonnie Rabinovich Mantell, founder and managing partner of the Primus Family Law Group. Hi, Bonnie.
Hi, Michael. How are you doing today?
Doing great. Beautiful day here in San Diego. Where are you located there?
I'm just sitting on a porch of a friend of mine.
Beautiful. Lovely, lovely picture out there. Um, Today, I thought we would talk about something that many people wonder about. You know how we all have these initials after our names? You have the letters, I hope I say it right,
Hmm.
CFLS. Did I say it right?
You did. You did.
Okay. Now, so people go, whatever that is, I don't know. She's a good attorney. She can help us in a family matter or divorce law. But what specifically is CFLS? And what do you have to do to get those letters after your name?
Well, Michael, if you say it together as a word, it does sound like syphilis. And
Well, I
I
was hoping
promise
not
you, we
to do
do
that.
not need to get that to get a
No.
CFLS. Um, but what it is that means I am a certified family law specialist. I've been certified by the California State Bar to be a specialist in the field of family law. And so anybody who's a CFLS has to take a myriad of courses and watch hundreds of hours of seminars and videos. And then we get to take a really lengthy test to make sure that we pass the requirements of being a specialist. And then every year we have to take specific extra continuing education specific to being a specialist. So it is way more than being an attorney. It's actually, almost like a PhD or a doctorate of family law.
Well, so the joke, of course, you mentioned the CFLS joke. The joke amongst PhDs is PhD stands for piled higher and deeper. But
Well,
to go back to this, someone can have a PhD and not be a certified or licensed or anything like that in their field. You can have a PhD in history, and you're a historian. But to be a family law attorney, to use those terms, do you have to have the CFLS after your name?
no, you can be a family law attorney just like you can be, example, a regular family practitioner. What a CFLS is a specialty like neuroscience. Not everybody can be a neurosurgeon. You're a doctor, but you're not necessarily a neurosurgeon. You're an attorney or you're a family law attorney, but you're not necessarily a specialist. And every one of my attorneys at Primus Family Law are certified family law specialists.
And if I'm looking for an attorney, I want to be sure I find for a family law. I want to be sure I see those initials after the name of the attorney I'm speaking with, correct?
I would think so. I mean, why go to someone who's not a specialist in a field, especially when it's probably one of the largest decisions and journeys that you're going to take in your lifetime is either divorcing or getting married and you need a premarital agreement, or you have children and you have custody and visitation issues. It's really important to seek an attorney that's a specialist.
And amongst CFLS attorneys, are there subspecialties as well? Are there additional certifications?
You can have a different certification in immigration law or some other practice, but within family law, the highest certification you get is the one held by us at Primus.
And if people want to reach you and talk to you about a family law matter with someone who has the CFLS certification, how can they reach you?
Well, as you know, Michael, I do conduct all of the consultations, so we are certain of the cases that come into Primus, and they can reach us at 619-574-8000, and you will be scheduled for a free 30-minute phone consultation, or you can reach us online at www.primusfamilylaw.com.
Thanks, Bonnie. I appreciate the clarification on what those fancy letters CFLS are after your name. And I think you make a good point. If you're going to be involved in a family law matter, this could be a turning point in life. Why not seek the best of the best? Primus Family Law. Thank you very, very much, Bonnie. See you next time.
Thanks, Michael.